Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix NVIDIA custom resolution grayed out. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to manage 3D settings and scroll down, find DSR factors and click on the drop down and uncheck if anything is checked and select OK option and it will be turned off and select apply to changes. Now go back to change resolution and select customize. You can select one of these resolution if you want, or you can create a custom resolution. Click on it. I'm going with 237 for testing it. Select the text option. Select yes. Now it has been added. And now click on OK. And just right click on the desktop and select display settings. Scroll down and select advanced display. And select this display adapter properties for display 1 and select list all modules option. In resolution, you just need to search for the one you added. In my case, I added 237 heads. This is native resolution. And select the OK option and it is going to be set. Select apply and select the keep changes option and select OK and just close stuff here. And that's how it works. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.